Hey guys, oh my gosh, I've missed you so much. I know I'm looking crazy. Wow, we have a lot of catching up to do, don't we?
It's been that long, huh? That long since you filmed.
Yeah, it's been a minute. We are finally getting back to normal. Unfortunately, like after everything happened, I just got dumped with a ton of work and I had to do like overtime and had to get comp time and all this other stuff to just complete all of this work that had to be done. So this weekend is the first normal weekend that we've had. Not like it's been so long. It's literally been like one weekend. So today on the agenda, I'm going to get all of this put back where it needs to be. I am going to be filming that tonight. I'm not going to be spending my entire Saturday cleaning. So yeah, I look really crazy. It has just been a time. So it is the end of the workday. It's 5:30 now. So we are gonna go get Ethan. I want to pick up some baskets for my bathroom because I want to like redo my bathroom organization. I'm going to put everything back in my closet today. So yeah, so you guys, that video is probably up already because usually I put vlogs up like during the week, during the work week, and then put cleaning videos up on the weekend. So anyway, come on Xavier, let's go. We're gonna go into Costco really quickly to re-up on some juices for Ethan's lunch, fruit cups, stuff like that we kind of need a lot of. Are you ready?
So hello, we are at Costco. We're trying to get some juice for Ethan. We're going to get juice for Ethan because we didn't have any more. Well, juice for us because, well, I'm the one who drank half of the juice. So as you can see, we're at Costco. Cookies. You saw the cookies? You get your little cookies, your little pastries. You got cakes. You got, I'm gonna show you that.
I just finished cleaning and I am exhausted. I'm going to wash my face and climb into bed. I'm so tired. So here's the aftermath of my cleaning video. I put everything that belonged in the bathroom and all of this stuff was in here before. So I just need to put all of it back. I'm not gonna like organize it the way I want it to be right now because it's 1 o'clock in the morning. So we're just going to, the boys are asleep in my bed, but I wanted to show you, I'm getting ready to work out in a little bit. So I got, actually, let me go out here. What am I even talking about? I purchased some new workout stuff to motivate me to actually work out. So this is Nike, a Nike sports bra. It is the high impact one because I hate when my girls are bouncing around. Like, I don't know how people wear those like medium support and do high intensity stuff, like jumping around and stuff. The original price from Nike is $55. Here's my tag from Burlington Coat Factory, and they even say the comparative value is $24. So yeah, go to Burlington to look for workout stuff because it's super affordable. I also got these biker shorts. Since I'm just working out in the house, I thought these were so cute and looked like one of the more expensive fitness wear brands. Yogalicious Luxe. Actually, I think Yogalicious is pretty expensive. Look at the I don't know why they strike through that like that. If you all have an insight, let me know. But these were only 17. These were only $7.99, but they don't have a tag from their brand. So, I don't know. But I'm about to put this stuff on and get ready for my 10 a.m. class.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, the only one is inside of me. Go, I don't really dare to escape. Fall out in another space, so I stay. Hey, oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul.
Okay, I just finished my workout. Feeling good. We need to leave the house at 12. We're gonna go to Annapolis.
I didn't want to my tablet.
Okay, Ethan woke up at the end of my workout and was interrupting everything, of course. All right, it is 12:03. So we are gonna head on out. Come on, guys. So we are in the Naval Exchange, and they have all of this stuff. Like, for the prices are so good. So I'm going to be perusing.
Of the violent beast.
Hi guys, so we are back home. As you saw, we went to the naval base and went to the exchange and to the commissary. From the commissary, I just got some apricots instead of candy. There is no added sugar. It's just the apricots. It's just the sugar from the apricots. So, got some undies for Ethan. Some pajamas for me. It came with this top, these shorts, and it came with a robe, and they are it's so soft, and it's like this lavender color, which is my favorite color. And I just got this, and it smells so good. Perfect summer scent. Here's a bottle. Oh gosh, it smells so good.
Every facet of their personal lives when they were away from the temple. So on the surface level, it seems to be a righteous. You see, they did something that God.
Hey guys, another day, another black t-shirt. We are going to drop off some stuff at my grandmother's house. I have been holding this. Whoa, my battery's going to die. I have been holding this kitchen towel for her for months. Did you brush your teeth? Go brush your teeth first. I wanted to look at this. All right, guys, I'm gonna get them ready, and then we are going to head out. So we went to Dollar Tree. Gosh, I can't breathe. To get gift bags.
Sorry, by the way, how can I help you?
Hi, can I have a triple grande soy sugar-free vanilla latte?
Love.
So we're back home and I have some laundry I need to do. I just separated out my laundry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my laundry in the washing machine, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a workout. I am so excited because I think I'm gonna be getting a king size bed. You guys know that I sleep on a full size bed. That's it back there. So I'm thinking I'm gonna give Xavier my bed. I just don't know how I'm gonna configure the room because Ethan will still have the bed that he has and they won't have the matching beds anymore. So I don't know. I have to figure that out. Maybe I can get Ethan a matching bed, but in like a smaller size, like a twin size bed. I don't know. Or I can just put my bed into storage until we move and they have their own room, and then Xavier can have, because you guys know my plan was always to give him that bed frame. The bed, the reason why I'm getting a king size bed is because they at some point come into my room at night and there's not enough space and I'm always so uncomfortable. So I am going to get a king size bed with a new rail. I am leaning towards something similar. Hey guys, here we are again in the same corner in my bedroom. I wanted to actually close out the vlog. It is Monday afternoon. Xavier is about to wrap up school. So yeah, so I just wanted to come on and close the vlog out for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.